Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property of the day, and we're in Winslow Township, and I'm with Nina Aratakis. She's a great new agent here in South Jersey, and you're going to be seeing Nina all over the place. She's really a talent. If you need to list your house, if you need representation on the buyer side, Nina's a great agent. Be an excellent choice for you. We're at 20 Tom Wells Road, Winslow Township, and it's the 08009 zip code, Berlin. And I'm going to let Nina speak to a little bit more about this property, what its features are.
So this is a 2,246 square foot bi-level. It has 1.5 baths and 4 beds. You can also make bonus rooms that are included, which is nice for a big family. A lot of square footage.
It's got the private well, private septic, so you don't have any bills that way. And the roof is newer, around 2015, and the HVAC is newer, around 2018. So we're going to take a walk and we'll show you the inside and go through some of the details that way. And as standard in the big bi-level, we have a huge family room. Got the railing as you walk through the foyer, everything real big. It's going to need a little bit of updating. It's quite nondescript. You can make this the way you want. Kitchen, you can see it's a stock kitchen, and it's got plenty of cabinetry, has the L-shaped countertops, plenty of room. You have a breakfast bar, plenty of room for all your family. Up here you have 3 total bedrooms. We'll call this bedroom number 1. And this property has rooms available that we're not going to call bedrooms, but you could use those as you want. They would be bonus auxiliary rooms. This we'll call bedroom number 2. And in here we got bedroom number 3. Plenty of closets, recessed lighting everywhere, has access to the full bath here on the first floor, and there's 1.5 baths. Going down to the lower level, you have a 4th bedroom, huge room here. It's got the walkout windows that would be compliant for ADA purposes. And you have your utility room. In here you have your electrical panel, all kinds of electronics. Looks like you have some components here for what was previously a home office. You still have all that apparatus, and you have the oil tank there, which is above ground. This HVAC system, this was installed, and this furnace was installed approximately 2018, so this is a newer system. And in here, this will be auxiliary room, we'll call it number 1, so use it as you want. You have a half bath here that services the lower level, and then you have a walkout to your backyard here on the east side. This will be auxiliary room number 2. So you have 4 total bedrooms, and you have 2 auxiliary rooms. You use those as you want. And you can see it also has the daylight windows on this level. You've got a great 2nd story view here. And the property, all told, is 1 acre, and it goes into the woods. It's an irregular lot. All kinds of wildlife back here, turkeys, deer, squirrel, you name the mammal, and you probably have it back there. So we have 2,246 square feet, and it's a great property. If you have a big family and you need to move into the area, this house could be the right one for you. What are your thoughts on it, Nina, to finish it up?
Definitely can be great for a big family. It's your own canvas, so you can basically renovate it how you want it.
If you like this video, please share this video with people that may want to purchase here in the Winslow Township, greater South Jersey area. And if you really love the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and check out Nina. Her phone number is right up here. You can give her a call and set up your own private tour of this property.
Yeah.
And as always, Joe Wiessner and Nina Aratakis, we want to see you at the settlement table.